Hey guys, I just wanted to show you, these are my mom's cactuses that she plants and grows and sometimes even germinate and grow some more. Or she would take the baby out and then grow some more, like this little sprout right here. Isn't that beautiful? If we can tend plants and make them grow beautiful like this, how much more does God love us? And He does. He loves us very much. And He loves you very much. So don't be afraid. Just offer up your life to Him. And God will do the rest. I love looking at plants. It makes me feel better. Because I know that God is taking care of me. Even when we don't know it, He is. He takes care of the plants. How simple is that? He takes care of you more. Have a great day.